Would I benefit from Botox? I have very droopy, uneven eyes, as well as hooded eyes. I seem to have excess skin above my eyelids. I am 18 and this makes me very insecure. Was wondering if anything could be done.
Thank you for your question. You submitted a photo of both your eyes, and you're describing a question that you're 18, you have hooded eyes, you're insecure about those hooded eyes, and you're asking on whether or not Botox would be appropriate for you. Well, I certainly will give you my perspective. I've been practicing cosmetic and reconstructive surgeon with a background specialty in oculofacial plastic surgery for over 20 years in Manhattan and Long Island. So improving hooded eyes is something I do every day in my practice. Well, to begin with, I would say that I think when you're doing your research, you learned about something called the Botox Brow Lift, where the eyebrows are lifted to help relieve small amounts of hooding over the eyes based on relaxation of certain muscles, which are called eyebrow depressors. I would certainly discourage that. At 18, this is not something that makes a lot of sense. It would cause a raising of your eyebrows, which probably would make you look strange and it would require maintenance, which also is something that we don't encourage with someone so young. When it comes to upper eyelid hooding, I think that you've probably done some research and learned about eyelid surgery. Cosmetic eyelid surgery is done routinely to address upper eyelid hooding. When I look at your photos, it doesn't look like you have that much eyelid hooding. So I think that when you are being so critical of your eyes, you may be looking from a very critical lens at yourself, and maybe this is something that you need to discuss with someone you trust about these issues. But I would certainly not encourage you to pursue Botox. Botox is the #1 non-surgical cosmetic product and used for a variety of procedures. But I think that you would not it would not be appropriate for you. Again, we use Botox in our practice for everything from crow's feet lines, forehead lines, frown lines, lip lifts, improvement of underarm sweating. I mean, there's a lot of uses for Botox and related products such as Dysport and Xeomin, but it is concerning when someone as young as yourself submits this photo and talks about these insecurities. I can tell you, as we all get older, we always look back at the younger years and wonder why we were so critical of ourselves. So I think it's worthwhile for you to speak to somebody you trust about these issues and learn more before you decide to have any type of cosmetic procedure. So I hope that was helpful. I wish you the best of luck, and thank you for your question.